Right. Okay, so we got new March Wood Crate. It is called, what is it called? Titan, right? Titan.
Oh, yeah,
Titan. And
And,
something to do with Titanfall.
yeah.
And I promised Mikey that he gets the next t-shirt, and so I'm going to open it up.
Right.
No, I handle the knife. I'm somewhat adult, so. Okay, so when you're going to open it, okay, so open it right here like this here, right here. Flips up. Okay? Okay, so what we got? We got, okay, so that there's a book that shows us what's in there, so we're not going with that, okay? T-shirt!
Kind of big for a small.
Oh wow. Black shirt? No, it's not. Look at it. Oh wow! Look at that. You see that? You getting that there? Here. That is an awesome shirt. That is your shirt.
What is this?
That's a wristband from Titanfall.
Cool.
Yeah.
This is
This is a code for the game.
code and about value.
That is awesome.
Or my cat. Oh, this is Fridgling.
Is it?
Yes.
Wicked. We'll put that on the face.
And a creepy book.
That's Attack on Titan. You see how? Can you read the book?
Attack on Titan.
It's backwards.
Why is it backwards? And
Food. Yes. There's two real good ones.
there's another book.
One for each of us. Then that there is the button for the theme for it. And we got a line there.
Here,
That's kind of cool. And then we got 30% off something. Like Christmas, huh? So that's just like your stuff. Okay, so we got a wristband. We got one for you, one for me. This button, a book that is backwards, and some Titan stuff. So, and this was what you really wanted. I'll show you what you really wanted. That, right? This was Titan, so it was Titanfall. And so this is the shirt that he got. This is Mikey's shirt now. There you go. That is your shirt. This is mine, and we're out. We good? Are you good? You already ate there. Right.